Today we're going to do an unboxing of a cheap microphone, and then we're going to do some comparison. So came in like this, and inside it is a box. This is a microphone for cameras, iPhones, PCs and whatnot, so let's check it out. Stuff like this. Alright, so here it is. So let's open this. And, here's the mic. Pretty long cord. Here's an extension with some foam to muffle it. And here's the long extension. So this is a 59-inch mic cord and then 69 extension cord with a rotating clip. And yeah, so this is it.
A quick update. I noticed that my Samsung case phone actually blocked, as you can see here, it blocked it from actually going in. So I spent like a good 30 minutes trying to read the guide and say like, oh, do I have to use this adapter that came with it? And this adapter is actually for it's actually just for regular PCs and camcorders and whatnot. So the native one goes right into like a smart device, like a smartphone or whatever. That was annoying. I actually had to read the instructions, and that was confusing me. So yeah, plug it into my Android phone. Works outside of the box, no problem. And we'll do a comparison.
How? I don't know how far it's supposed to be. Alright, now I'm testing with some background, just playing sounds of the ocean, and I'm not sure you hear it. So I'm just talking, and this is without the microphone, so let's try it with the microphone. So I'm talking, and there's background noise, and the microphone's wired in, and I'm playing sounds of the ocean, like I said before, and hopefully it's clearer, and you can just hear the direct line to my mic here. So overall, I think this microphone is a little bit better than the stock Samsung S9 microphone. We'll see if it's better in a busier outside environment. Just gonna do a last test. By the way, this was $25 Canadian. It's not so bad, but I do think it's not very much of a difference in my opinion. You tell me below in the comments. So anyways, let's do this test. About this far testing, maybe it's this far testing, this far testing, near my waist testing, 1, 2, 3.